Okay, I'm definitely gonna fix my hair before I go out, but sorry I look like a hot mess right now. Here I do it again. I'm looking at the wrong part of the freaking camera. Hi, you're there. I'm here. Soon I will be at Dairy Queen because I just saw a post on Facebook talking about celebrating our 25th anniversary of the moon landing, which never actually happened, but let's just go with it. There's a new blizzard at Dairy Queen, limited time only. I called literally like 5 different Dairy Queens and finally found one that still had this stuff. Right now, I'm uploading the Vegas vlog to the YouTube. Future Callie here. I just wanted to let you know that the Vegas vlog has been uploaded and the link will be down there in the description. I'll be popping in throughout this whole video, probably from the future as I'm editing it, because of course I'll think of more things I want to say. Limited release. And if the Dairy Queen boys weren't creeping on me, maybe I should just show them. They're creeping on me in the window right now. Right there. They're creeping on me. You see them? I just going to turn my mouth like black. I'm spilling the toppings everywhere. It was worth driving 18 minutes. Glitter. I just noticed that. It's kind of almost like my nails.